Namaste everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the art of public speaking, tips and tricks. Public speaking is both an art and a skill that can be mastered with practice and dedication. Whether you're giving a presentation at work, delivering a speech at a conference, or speaking in front of a large audience, effective public speaking can have a profound impact on your ability to communicate ideas, influence others, and build connections. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the art of public speaking, offering tips and tricks to help you become a confident and compelling speaker. Tips for effective public speaking. 1. Know your audience. Understanding your audience is crucial for delivering a successful speech. Take the time to research your audience demographics, interests, and expectations. Tailor your content and delivery style to resonate with your audience and address their needs and concerns. 2. Organize your content. A well-structured speech is easier for your audience to follow and understand. Organize your content in a logical and coherent manner, with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Use signposts and transitions to guide your audience through the main points of your speech. 3. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is essential for mastering the art of public speaking. Rehearse your speech multiple times, focusing on both content and delivery. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or rehearse with a trusted friend or colleague for feedback. Memorization. Aim to memorize the main points and key phrases of your speech, but avoid reciting it word for word. Familiarize yourself with the content so that you can speak naturally and conversationally. Timing. Practice pacing yourself to ensure that your speech fits within the allotted time frame. Pay attention to your rate of speech, pauses, and emphasis to maintain a comfortable rhythm and keep your audience engaged. 4. Master nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a significant role in public speaking, influencing how your message is received and interpreted by your audience. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, posture, and gestures to convey confidence and credibility. 5. Manage nervousness. It's normal to feel nervous before speaking in public, but learning to manage your nerves can help you deliver a confident and composed performance. Practice relaxation techniques, adopt positive self-talk, and focus on your message and audience to reduce anxiety. Deep breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your nerves and reduce physical tension. Take slow, deep breaths, focusing on inhaling and exhaling fully to promote relaxation. Visualize success. Mentally rehearse your speech and visualize yourself delivering it confidently and successfully. Imagine the audience responding positively to your message and feeling engaged and inspired by your presentation. 6. Engage your audience. Engaging your audience is essential for maintaining their attention and interest throughout your speech. Use interactive techniques, storytelling, humor, and audience participation to create a dynamic and memorable experience. Storytelling. Incorporate personal anecdotes, case studies, or relevant stories to illustrate your points and connect with your audience on an emotional level. Stories help make abstract concepts more concrete and relatable. Humor. Use appropriate humor to lighten the mood, break the ice, and connect with your audience. Incorporate jokes, witty remarks, or humorous anecdotes to add levity and entertainment value to your speech. 7. Seek feedback and continuous improvement. After delivering your speech, seek feedback from trusted colleagues, mentors, or audience members. Reflect on your performance, identify areas for improvement, and incorporate feedback into your future speaking engagements. Public speaking is a skill that can be honed over time through practice, feedback, and continuous learning. Self-reflection. Reflect on your performance and identify what went well and what you can improve upon for next time. Consider recording your speeches to review later and identify areas for refinement. Continuous learning. Stay curious and open to learning new techniques and strategies for improving your public speaking skills. Attend workshops, seminars, or online courses on public speaking to expand your knowledge and expertise. Conclusion. Mastering the art of public speaking is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and ongoing learning. By understanding the importance of public speaking, incorporating effective techniques and strategies, and seeking opportunities for feedback and improvement, you can become a confident and compelling speaker. Whether you're delivering a presentation, giving a speech, or engaging with an audience, remember to be authentic, passionate, and purposeful in your communication. With time and effort, you can unlock the power of public speaking to inform, inspire, and influence others. Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue making this knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.